10 Best AI Writing Tools 2023. In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence has emerged as a transformative force, reshaping industries and revolutionizing how we work and communicate. In the realm of content creation, AI-powered writing tools have made significant strides, offering writers, businesses, and content creators powerful solutions to enhance their productivity and creativity. As we step into 2023, we explore the 10 best AI writing tools that are set to redefine content creation in the digital age. 10. Zero AI Content Generator. Zero AI Content Generator is a cutting-edge tool designed to simplify the process of creating website content, including product descriptions, about pages, and blog posts. As businesses strive to establish a compelling online presence, the need for high-quality, SEO-friendly content has never been more crucial. Zero steps in as a solution to this challenge. The tool boasts a user-friendly interface that caters to users with varying levels of expertise in content creation. Whether you're an experienced marketer or a business owner looking to enhance your website's content, Zero AI Content Generator can adapt to your needs. It understands the importance of maintaining brand identity and style, ensuring that the generated content aligns seamlessly with your established tone and messaging. 9. Kafka. Kafka emerges as a powerful content generation tool tailored for users seeking to produce long-form, high-quality articles efficiently. With the ever-increasing demand for informative and engaging articles, content creators, bloggers, and publishers require innovative solutions to meet these expectations. Kafka's advanced AI capabilities position it as a game-changer in this landscape. One of Kafka's standout features is its ability to generate comprehensive and well-researched articles. By analyzing a given topic or keyword, Kafka scores the internet for relevant information, summarizing key points and organizing them into a coherent structure. 8. Crayon. Crayon represents a specialized AI writing tool catering to the needs of e-commerce businesses. In an era where online shopping has become the norm, the importance of persuasive product descriptions, engaging reviews, and effective marketing content cannot be overstated. Crayon steps in as an innovative solution to help e-commerce brands scale their content creation efforts without compromising quality. One of Crayon's primary strengths lies in its ability to generate product descriptions tailored to specific products and target audiences. By analyzing product details, specifications, and customer preferences, Crayon crafts compelling narratives that highlight the unique features and benefits of each item. 7. Surfer SEO. Surfer SEO represents a fusion of AI and search engine optimization (SEO), making it an invaluable tool for content creators, marketers, and businesses aiming to improve their online visibility and rankings. As the digital landscape becomes increasingly competitive, the need for data-driven SEO strategies is more pronounced than ever. Surfer SEO addresses this need comprehensively. One of the standout features of Surfer SEO is its ability to optimize content for search engines effectively. The tool analyzes top ranking pages for a given keyword or topic, extracting valuable insights into the factors that contribute to their success. 6. Shortly AI. Shortly AI is a content generation tool designed for users seeking to create blog posts, articles, and essays efficiently. With the demand for informative and engaging content on the rise, bloggers, content marketers, and writers require innovative solutions to streamline their content creation processes. Shortly AI steps in as a reliable companion in this endeavor. One of Shortly AI's notable features is its ability to generate content rapidly while maintaining a high level of quality. By analyzing a given topic or keyword, the tool can create comprehensive drafts, complete with relevant information, facts, and coherent structure. This functionality is especially valuable for content creators looking to produce well-researched and data-driven articles without the need for extensive manual research. 5. Copy AI. Copy AI is an AI-powered copywriting tool that offers a wide range of templates for various content types, from blog posts to social media headlines. In an era where engaging and persuasive copy is essential for digital marketing and communication, copy AI simplifies the process of crafting compelling content. One of Copy AI's primary strengths is its versatility. It provides users with a diverse selection of templates, each tailored to specific content needs. Whether you're drafting a blog post, creating an engaging social media post, or developing a captivating headline, Copy AI offers templates that align with your objectives. The tool's user-friendly interface makes it accessible to users of all backgrounds and writing experience levels. 4. WriteSonic. WriteSonic is a versatile AI writing tool designed to excel in creating content for marketing, advertising, and social media. In an era where businesses are constantly seeking innovative ways to capture their audience's attention, WriteSonic offers a suite of features tailored to these needs. One of WriteSonic's standout features is its ability to generate persuasive ad copy. Crafting compelling advertisements that resonate with your target audience is essential for successful marketing campaigns. WriteSonic leverages AI to create ad copy that not only grabs attention but also conveys your message effectively. In addition to ad copy, WriteSonic excels at crafting engaging product descriptions. Well-written product descriptions are crucial for e-commerce businesses looking to showcase their offerings effectively. 3. Grammarly. Grammarly is a household name in the world of AI writing tools, known for its prowess in grammar and spell-checking software. In 2023, Grammarly continues to set the standard for enhancing writing quality, not just in terms of grammar and spelling, but also in terms of clarity, tone, engagement, and overall writing effectiveness. One of Grammarly's core features is its robust grammar and spell-checking capabilities. It analyzes your text in real time, highlighting and suggesting corrections for grammatical errors, misspellings, and punctuation issues. This fundamental function ensures that your writing maintains a high level of professionalism and clarity. However, Grammarly goes far beyond the basics. In 2023, it has evolved to provide deeper insights into your writing style, tone, and engagement level. It helps users fine-tune their communication to match their intended audience and purpose. 2. WordTune. WordTune represents a transformative AI writing tool that aims to enhance your writing style and effectiveness in real time. In an age where clear and engaging communication is paramount, WordTune offers a unique approach to improving your writing by providing instant suggestions to enhance the clarity, tone, and style of your text. One of WordTune's standout features is its ability to offer real-time suggestions as you write. Whether you're crafting an email, a report, or a creative piece, WordTune analyzes your text and provides alternative word choices, sentence structures, and style adjustments. This dynamic feedback helps you refine your writing and convey your ideas more effectively. WordTune's real-time suggestions extend to multiple aspects of writing. 1. GPT-4 Writing Assistant. At the pinnacle of our list is the GPT-4 Writing Assistant, developed by OpenAI. Building on the monumental success of its predecessors, GPT-4 represents a leap forward in the realm of AI-driven natural language processing. In 2023, it is set to redefine content creation with its unrivaled capabilities and versatility. GPT-4's primary strength lies in its ability to generate written content that is not only coherent and grammatically correct, but also profoundly creative and contextually aware. It understands context with a level of nuance that was previously unmatched, allowing it to produce content that is highly relevant to the given topic or prompt. One of GPT-4's most notable features is its ability to adapt to various writing styles, tones, and genres. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.